You would like
200 by 100.
Alright.
Yeah.
This is ultimate confidence. I like your
Because we
confidence.
did right, we have the full confidence.
Well done. Well done.
I saved your snap and copied, you know. Alright everyone, listen up. Is everybody here? Yeah. Okay. So first of all, thank you very much for taking part in this. It's quite a tricky exercise. But everyone did really well, and I believe there's some good designs underneath this. So it was good to see people talking, having conversations, and there was definitely some planning going on. I saw some really good sort of plans and some strategies. So the way this is going to work is we will reveal the actual helicopter. We'll show you what it needs to look like. Then what we'll do is we'll have each group just come out to the front here, and if you, we're going to unveil yours, and then if you can, in your group, if you can represent someone to just give us one thing that went really well, so one thing you thought really worked with this exercise, and then one thing that you'd like to do better for next time if you had to do this again. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, and then we will. And I think we've got some prizes, is that correct? We've got some prizes for the first, for the one that looks more or less the same as the...
Maybe more or less.
Exactly. So, we'll show you what it is supposed to look like.
Is this the big unveil? We need a drum roll.
Yeah, drum roll please, drum roll.
Have a good look. Have a good look.
There's a few people who
Who would like to go first then? Who wants to go first?
Please drum roll still. After this, we need a drum roll again. Yeah.
Drum roll, we need drum roll.
Helicopter and
So if you could just...
Wow.
Next time. So listen up. I've not been at all.
I think what went well was we pretty much got the structure. But what was difficult and what we would do better was the colors.
Yeah. But somewhat we got somewhat colors. Yeah, the base. First we check the structure, and then we come back. Then we do the structure. Then again we went back and just check everything is going on correct. Finally we focused on counted on how much each thing. This one of course has 7. And we counted on all things. Then at last we checked on the colors.
as much as possible,
We made the colors similar.
Sound like you did things in steps.
Yeah.
We did the way you were working throughout. That's good. Nice one. Well done. I think that deserves a round of applause, doesn't it? Thank you. We will sort of judge them right at the end, but we'll have a look at everyone's first. But that's looking pretty good, actually, isn't it? That's looking good.
Team B.
This is ours. Bring yours over here. Come and take it.
Someone hold it. And I. Chetan, can you hold this from this side? Go that side, go behind.
Okay. Right, drum roll please again.
Yeah, come on. Xerox copy. It's a Xerox.
So, a couple of words from someone in the team.
Yes. Oh, I confused.
So again,
turned it around.
Yes.
It should be like that.
what went well with us was the understanding and communication of the structure. We delegated the roles of identifying the color and the number of pieces between the 3 teammates, and
for the first viewing, we decided to count how many pieces are there.
And focus on particular parts actually.
Particular parts. Second, the second viewing helped us to confirm the structure, and the third viewing was to confirm the color. Okay. That's what went well. Okay. What didn't go well, I think some places the colors might not be correct. That's the only part. And we did try.
The last call of turning this around was also not correct.
Yeah. A little bit of time management. Okay. We did complete it in time, but we could have done it a little bit more early. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, this is how it is.
Brilliant. Nice one. Big round of applause. Awesome. Go through. Well, you can stay there if you want. Stay there. Drum roll. Hello. Very good. So, not looking bad. So, a few words from someone here.
Actually, we got the structure right. We were very quick thinking. Our team members were very quick thinking, and they easily figured it out. The structure. The structure went good. It was very quick. We analyzed it quick. But the difficult part was the colors. It was a bit challenging, and the communication gap. The second time when we arrived, the people disbanded it. We wonder why. So there was a communication gap, and again, we were not able to fix the colors. But it was good. Teamwork was good. Bit of communication gap was there.
Okay.
Lacking.
Yeah.
Could have done that better.
Brilliant. So what would you do differently then with the communication next time?
Like good planning.
Okay.
And implementing, evaluating that.
Okay. Well done. Excellent, guys. Nice one. And last but not least, you ready? Drum roll. Nice. You know what? There's some good models here. So, if someone with a few words.
Yeah, extra seats. It's quite large.
Who's just given us some good.
What we went well, actually we planned good, and we delegated the parts actually want to look the structure.
Okay.
And
the communication was perfect actually, even with the blocks, but due to some time shortage, we were not about to make it with the perfect model, but we still end up with the perfect.
Yeah, the time management was not good with us.
And the color we could recognize something, but
actually the planning was not good. That's what happened.
Okay.
We used the color
because we had split it. Like some guys were doing the front part and somebody started to do the back part. So there was like the color we couldn't segregate and do it perfectly.
All right. So it sounds like
with more planning. That's what I want to improve.
Sounds like a bit more planning. Yeah. Did you have time for that planning, or was it just?
Yeah, this is more delegate work more perfectly. That's
brilliant. Cool. Well done, guys. That was good. Excellent. So some good models. We're gonna judge them. So can you turn your model so it's facing the same as this one? And then we'll. That looks close.
Oh, but I think it looks good.
Yeah, come on, Neil. You should
the final thing this way. That one there, the back.
That's fairly close.
Yeah. Could you move this one over to him?
The two middle ones are both a bit extra length, aren't they? No pressure, chaps, no pressure. You're going to make perfect colours. With colours.
Top the miss అయింది సెకండ్ దాంట్లో
This, for me, this one's got more colour.
Exactly same.
Unless you go for colours. Colours as well.
Oh yes, they are. Oh yeah.
Well, I'd say that is closest at the bottom on the bottom. So that bottom one's more or less right.
Final decision, Neil.
That one.
Yeah, we think
That one, Neil.
So well done to this team.
Which team is this?
I'm getting second closest as well.
Got it.
Celebration!
Shalva Pirinki.
Oh, don't be like that. Don't be those ones.
Yes, everyone. Yeah, thank you.
For these.
Thank you. Because of me only, we won this task.
Taking part. Thank you. Oh goodness. And taking part, man.
Yeah. Celebrations time.
Don't worry, come on, at least one.
At least. This is our celebrations.
Yes, it's our celebrations.
Can I have a game?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.